Hey guys, after some suggestions from fans, I was told that I should go outside more and that I was spending too much time on my computer. So me and my buddy are gonna head out and explore nature. This one's for my dad, wherever you are. I like spring. I used to not believe that it was real. My mom said spring is when everything comes back. But as far as I'm concerned, things don't come back. I'm still waiting for my dad. Dad? Come on, Dad, it's spring! I mean, this is the slough, though. That's Swedish for river. It's a natural spring fed. There's a spring right over there. It's a geyser. That's Swedish for spring. 3 summers ago, I almost had a girlfriend. We chatted online a few times. When things were about to get serious, we were about to Skype. Deleted her account. Some people showed up at my door. It was an old man the whole time. Who's to tell me what true love is? And so when they wear the moss, they stay alive. A lot of people wonder what happens to a rock when it dies. It's obvious, it turns into sand. Dad! Dad! Everyone knows that before Jesus, there were dinosaurs, and these dinosaurs went extinct when the other moon hit the Earth. And now, they're forced to live in tar pits, which is kind of like the slums, but for like dinosaurs. I come out here and look for dinosaurs. I used to, at least. I also used to think that my dad might have fallen in here and died. I haven't found dinosaurs or my dad, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to keep looking, right? You know, who was it? Jesus, you know, he said that when you lose hope, you lose. Right here, we have a really important archaeological site. It's a dragon's nest. Back about 200 plus years ago, right before Jesus, and right after the dinosaurs, there were dragons. And now there's not dragons anymore because the government killed them off at about the same time as Jesus. So this is a really important site. There's actually very few intact dragon nests around. You can actually see fucking... Help! Dad! Everyone knows that modern dragons can't fly. That's why they call them Komodo dragons. That's Swedish for not being able to fly.